In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up in-app notifications for Microsoft Dynamics 365. This feature is incredibly handy if you want to keep users informed about updates, reminders, or any pertinent information directly within the app. Let's dive in and get you set up easily and efficiently. To start, you'll want to navigate to your go-to portal for making apps, make.powerapps.com. Once you're there, take a moment to ensure you're in the right place. This will be the main hub where all the magic happens. Once you're all set up here, you'll need to select the correct environment. Look toward the top right corner of your screen and you should see a drop-down menu. Click it and choose the environment where you will be working. This step is crucial as it ensures you're making changes to the right workspace, so take your time to verify that you've selected the appropriate environment. With your environment selected, it's time to move into your applications. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice several options listed vertically. Click on Apps. This will bring you to a display of all your available apps. From there, find and open the app you are planning to add notifications to, such as the Sales Hub. This is where you'll configure your settings to enable in-app notifications. As you dive deeper into the app, you'll see a left pane with several more options. Focus on scrolling down to find Settings, hover over it, and then expand your choice to Features. Clicking through to this section will reveal a host of options, including the one we're particularly interested in-app notifications. Within the features area, scan the list until you spot the in-app notifications option. Once you've located it, you'll need to toggle it to on. This crucial step will activate the notifications, allowing them to be sent seamlessly within your app. Finally, don't forget to solidify your choices by saving your changes. Look for the Save button, often found at the bottom of the settings panel. Give it a click and then proceed to publish. This action is essential for applying your settings and ensuring that in-app notifications are successfully enabled and viewable to end users. And there you have it, you've just set up in-app notifications in Microsoft Dynamics 365. With these notifications live, you'll enjoy a direct line of communication with your users, keeping them engaged and informed all within the app's environment. Thank you for watching this tutorial and happy notifying.